So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to change your vehicle type on your Uber Eats. So basically first open your web browser and search for the uber.com on your search bar and kindly scroll it down until you reach the end. And as you can see under the products, you will see the ride, drive, deliver, eat, and many more. So you just have to click the eat so you could redirect to the Uber Eats whereas you can buy foods in there. So for you to able to change your vehicle type that you wanted from bicycle into a car, you should scroll it down. And as you can see, here's the cities that you could order within the Uber Eats. And these are the countries that Uber Eats supports. And for you to able to change that vehicle type, you must go or contact their customer support because they are only the one who can change it right away. So you just have to open your application and kindly go to the support. And when you see the menu icon, you just have to click the help and you could also call their support and say that you wanted to change your vehicle type.